In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your PSN password using your phone. Okay, so to do this, we're going to first need the PlayStation app. So you can go ahead and head over to the App Store and you can download it. Now, obviously, if you've downloaded it, you're not going to be signed in and we can start to reset our password from here. So click on sign in at the bottom. It will then load this window where you can go ahead and enter in your email address. Once you've done that, it will obviously ask for your password. But if you don't know the password and you want to reset it, click on trouble signing in. Then it's going to give you the option here to recover your account. You can go ahead and click on that. That will open up the Chrome web store or any other web browser that you use by default. And you can go ahead and enter in your email address again. Once you've done that and you've entered your email address, they will send you an email and you can use that email to change your password. So this is what the email will look like. You can go ahead and open it in your email app. Now what you can do from here is you can click recover your account. It will then load a web browser. And from here inside of the web browser, you need to verify your account. So enter in your date of birth. And then once you've done that and you've verified, we can now be given the option to either create a passkey or a password. I'm going to click on create a password and you can then type in your password here and re-enter it and you will essentially be able to then change your password. So that is how you can do it. It is very easy. I hope this helped.